Okay. So how do you think these type of products would fit in an investor's portfolio now that we are seeing that we're quite insecure about the economy and the market as a whole? So how do you think an investor should look at such products in their portfolio?
So I think if you look at from the investor's perspective, who have been sort of typically investing into traditional products like mutual funds and stocks and portfolio management services, etc. These products can help them achieve a level of returns. So if if they are looking at a particular return out of an instrument, that can be that those targeted returns can be achieved through structured products. That is one. Secondly, there is a lot more possibility of customization. So if there is a larger value that an investor is looking forward to invest, there is a possibility of a customization, which is not possible in case of a mutual fund or portfolio management service kind of a product, right? They are available in a high-end advisory kind of a product, but it is not possible in a plain vanilla kind of a product. So to that extent, the fitment of these products in the investor's portfolio, more so from a current environment perspective, when the economic growth is challenged, when the inflation is inching up, the economic growth has come down to about 4.5-5%. The opportunity for the markets, and also what has happened is that in the large cap space there is so much of run up. Like if we talk about the equity linked or a Nifty 50 linked market linked debentures, the Nifty 50 index, some of the stocks within the large cap have grown so much that also puts the challenge for the index to continue to grow and deliver similar kind of returns. So therefore, from a fitment in the investor portfolio perspective, these products will supplement the existing investments that across mutual funds and PMS and the fixed deposit, etc., that investors have.